Davao del Norte 1st District Representative Pantaleon Alvarez stands firm in his statement urging Armed Forces of the Philippines or AFP to withdraw its support for President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. on the issue on the West Philippine Sea. Last Sunday, April 14 in Tagum City, Alvarez urged the AFP to withdraw their support from President Marcos and to compel him to step down. He warned that Marcos' action in the West Philippine Sea escalates tension between the Philippines and China.
Hindi. Wala naman ako sinasabing binabawi ko, no?
Okay.
At hindi rin ako humingi ng paumanhin.
Oh.
Malinaw.
No.
Dahil, bakit ako hihingi ng paumanhin kung wala naman akong kasalanan? Ano bang ginawa kong krimen?
According to Representative Alvarez, he's called for his country's police and military to withdraw their support from President Marcos Jr. cannot be deemed crime or seditious. He also did not violate the conduct unbecoming of a member of the House of Representatives. Also, there is no basis to investigate him regarding his call, but he will face any investigation against him.
Lilinawin ko lang, hindi ko tatakbuhan yan. Haharapin ko yung kaso na yan.
Alvarez respects the decision of the Department of Justice and the Philippine Navy to investigate him. The Department of National Defense and the AFP are looking at a possible investigation of Alvarez for delisting him from the reservists in the Philippine Marine Corps. Alvarez clarified he did not plan to make President Marcos step down in his position.
Na kung darating yung panahon na yan, na yung Pangulo ay hindi ginagampanan yung kanyang tungkulin bilang Pangulo. Kaya mayroong Vice Presidente. Nag-i-elect tayo ng Vice President. Basically for that purpose. Para ito yung line of succession.
Lelaine Moreno, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.